Why is there not several different props to use for maximizing the fuel economy over top speed? I know that it works, but it doesn't go fast, just can go further. All right. It's effectively like changing the rear gear ratio in the back of your differential for a truck or a rear-wheel drive car. And it is a decent question to ask. The problem is that they have to find the balance. All right. They have to find a balance that will make people happy. So the problem is that if you find a full-size ski that sits 3 people, but it only tops out at 40 miles an hour, but it gets killer gas mileage, it's going to be looked over by the vast majority. The vast majority of people are going to look over that ski because the problem is that people are dumb. And that number on the side means a lot to them. 310, 300, 1.8 liter or whatever the thing they put on the side. It gets people excited. It does. And everyone wants to feel like a hero. Everyone wants to feel like a badass. And no one wants to be I got the Toyota Camry. I got the little pity putt. Don't get me wrong. There's plenty of people who go out there and buy an FXHO and they go, I bought this thing expressly for fuel mileage. And they bought the right machine. All right. There are different impeller pitches for the supercharged machines versus naturally aspirated. There are different impeller pitches for different size pumps. So there are different pitches. What I presume your question is how come there's not a box I can check that says I want the fuel mileage impeller versus the badass get me out of the gate impeller? And I think that's your question that you're getting at. And if that is your question, it's a good question. It's cost. It's cost. I mean, right now, we were talking about quality control and that manufacturers, Yamaha was the crown king of quality control, and now they're having trouble. And if you add more things to the, more ingredients to the mix, you're going to have potential for bad outcomes. So you kind of have to reduce. You really kind of want to reduce your attrition rate. You reduce the pinch points. You reduce all the different ways that it could be screw ups, and that's going to be one of them. It's not a great answer. That's not satisfactory to the consumer, but it is ideal for the manufacturer. It's not great. It's not a good answer, but it is an answer.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.